I only came in to see if there's any eggs, see if she started laying any eggs yet, and that was it. We're away. Turkey cuddle time, isn't it? Hey, Ed. You're a good girl. Hey, beautiful turkey cuddles, always the best. But I do have to carry on with work. I can't lie down here all day with you, mate. Besides, your boyfriend's getting jealous. Hey, Fred. Come on then. Back of the head just gets you every time, doesn't it? Back of the head. She's got to sleep. Oh, she's gone to sleep in my eye. Oh dear, this is ridiculous. How you doing, Fred? You stay down there, mate. We've got room for one cuddly turkey. She's a good girl.